In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a free WordPress theme and import demo data step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is one of the fastest ways to get a professional-looking website without paying for a premium theme or designing everything from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully built demo website that you can customize for your own business or project. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is usually done by going to your website URL followed by /wp-admin. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for your entire website. From here, we're going to install a free theme along with demo content that automatically builds the site for us. Next, from the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Starter Templates. This is a very popular free plugin that allows you to import complete website designs in just a few clicks. When you find the Starter Templates plugin, click Install Now, and after installation finishes, click Activate. As soon as the plugin is activated, you'll be guided through a setup process. The first thing it will ask is which page builder you want to use. For this tutorial, select Elementor. Elementor is beginner-friendly, widely used, and perfect for drag-and-drop editing without coding. After selecting Elementor, you'll be taken to the template library. Here, you'll see hundreds of ready-made website designs. At the top, click on the free filter so you only see templates that cost nothing. You can also use the search bar to type keywords like bus, transport, logistics, or any niche that fits your project. When you find a design you like, click on it to preview the full site. If it looks good, go ahead and click the Import button. During the import process, you may be asked to upload a logo or choose brand colors. If you don't have those ready, don't worry. You can simply click Skip and Continue at the bottom. On the final screen, make sure the boxes for Import Content, Import Widgets, and Install Required Plugins are all checked. This is very important because it ensures your site looks exactly like the demo. Now click Submit and Build My Website. The system will take about 1 to 2 minutes to download and install everything. Just let it finish without closing the page. Once the import is complete, your demo website is officially installed. Now head back to your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can go to Elementor and start customizing the pages. You'll notice that all the demo data, images, layouts, and sections are already in place, making it extremely easy to edit text, swap images, and adjust colors to match your brand. At this point, you've successfully learned how to install a free WordPress theme and import demo data using Starter Templates and Elementor. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you get your website started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.